Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the Dow keeps its lofty advantage above 50,000 from the Friday's snap jump that's seen the Dow add over 1,000 points in one single session, which is quite remarkable there. This is boosted on AI and tech stocks, and seeing a massive rally on those particular performers, even though the S&P and the Nasdaq did fall a little bit lower. And in Japan, we're crossing over to the other side of the world because the snap election that has seen Japan's Prime Minister claim even further victory in their Liberal Democratic Party. We're seeing now that the Nikkei 225 jumped above 70,000 for a brief time. Sorry, I jumped above 57,000, sorry, for a brief time, more than 5%, even though it's kind of erased most of its gains from the early Asian and Australian session. It's still a remarkable shift, and Japanese stocks have jumped quite considerably because this is looking likely that it's going to have more fiscal stimulus, a lot more spending power for Japan as well. So it's more or less a boost for the Japanese economy, but we'll see in the long term how that's going to affect the markets and if it's going to continue as well, because obviously these snap general elections and these other, big euphoric movements might not last very long. So the Dow, on the other hand, is something different because not only have we claimed the 50,000 mark, which is quite significant, massive psychological area, from the past few trading sessions. If we look on the 4-hour chart, at least, we're tracking this continuous triple, double, quadruple top, you could say, in the near term, because we were testing roughly around 49,600. But since then, as you can see, a massive jump through that particular zone, and now we're just seeing that prices and firmly above 50,000 and could continue higher. We are just seeing from the early Asian and Australian session from the morning open that we're just having a slight consolidation, which is very good because now price action can just have a little bit of a breathing room and then have another move higher. The only problem is now we're having a massive overbought scenario on the RSI and other stochastics as well. So this means that prices can start fading a little bit, but hopefully not too much. Hopefully the Dow can at least keep its lofty weight above 50,000, which will be a massive psychological advantage for traders to progress even further. 50,500 is now the new target after prices, as you can see here, just reaching above 50,200. So another couple of hundred points to go, which isn't out of the realm of possibility now, because it is looking likely we will get more of an uptick in that particular area. The Nikkei as well, the 225, as you can see from the open, a massive spike going above 50, well, trading at 57,000 at the moment, but going above 60,000, which was quite remarkable. If we bring this back to the daily chart, as you can see here, a massive boost on all stocks containing the Japanese yen, and just looking likely that this can progress even further higher. So in the near term, as I said, if you are trading this particular indice or the Japanese stocks, just be careful for this pullback in price action, because after every big news event such as an election or something like that that can really shake the market, we are seeing now prices pull back quite significantly, and we do have a slight bearish divergence on the RSI as well. So this could actually start pulling prices even lower. But if we can keep above 55,000, then I believe we can still maintain a lofty progress and a bullish extension, possibly towards 60,000 once again. But we'll wait and see, and as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.